Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to share voice record on your WhatsApp story. So first of all, you need to make sure that your WhatsApp up to date. You can up to date from Google Play Store or App Store, and after that it's the interface. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the update button, the second option on the bottom side. Simply tap here, and then you can see it's pencil icon. Okay, simply tap on the pencil icon. So you can see this is tap status, and then you can see here this is the uh, you can see this way you can give your voiceover on your story. Then you can see sending button, or you can so it takes, okay, simply click again and again, then you can see it's going on. Turn the volume. So this way you can share your voiceover on your story. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.